As you guys may know, I've not posted a video in about 2 or 3 weeks because the actual head mount for my POV videos broke. Okay, yep. It snapped completely. I don't know how it happened, but it did. It fucking snapped. So, I got a replacement now, so that's why I'm making a video now. But at the moment, I'm stuck in traffic. I'm leaving work and I'm just stuck. Also want to thank you guys for 1,000 views, just over 1,000 views on my last video. That's a pretty big milestone for me, considering I've only got 30 subs, so yeah. Let's go, guys. Woo! No, but seriously, like, yeah, that's actually amazing, considering, you know, I'm just a kid who has a camera on his fucking head and films himself doing retarded shit in his car. So, no, that's absolutely amazing, guys. Honestly, absolutely amazing. Yeah, and look, to me, it's not really about the views or the subscribers. I make these videos just for fun. It's just, you know, because I know when I was looking at getting, like, an I30N and things like that, I'd watch all the videos about ends. I love them, right? And I want to do that for other people who might consider getting one. And I've had other people comment and shit about, you know, oh, I'm looking at getting one, like, these seem sick, or oh, I've done this, and this, and like, I hear all of it, all right? I see all you guys' comments. I like every single one, all right? And I love hearing it. And that's the reason I make the videos. Not for subs, not for views, not for any of that. But, yeah, I really am appreciative of the, you know, 1,000 views I got last video. That really keeps me motivated to make these. It really, really does. Now, if we can just get out of traffic, that would be absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. But, you know, can't have everything, eh? Can't have everything. Please, please. Thank you. Alright. Let's have a good little gaze, eh? Ooh, okay. Push it a bit. Oh, okay. And we've come to a complete stop. Alright, and gets absolutely pushed out of the way. Let's quickly. Ooh, that was some sneaky shit right there. Now we just need to get on the highway. That's it. Once we get on the highway, we're chill. Alright, I hope, because I gotta be somewhere. And I don't want to be stuck in this shit. All we have to do is turn right here, and we're fine. We're great. Like, that's it. It's just turn right, and we're chilling. Oh my god, stay green. Fuck! God damn it! Oh. Oh, and I got the Mercedes up my ass. He's getting a good old sniff up my ass. So those guys probably went through a red light, considering. I did not speed there, guys, at all. That was a fake speed on my little speedometer there. Whatever you call it, odometer. Like, what's the actual word? I don't know. Speedometer? Odometer? Like, I don't know. Is that like... Like, I feel like I know, but I don't know. You know what I mean? I don't know. Whatever it is. There's Mercedes, man. It isn't... I fucking thought it was an AMG, eh? That sounds sick as though. That sounds so fucking sick. That sounds so nice though. That does sound really, really nice. He's got an intake on it, maybe a blow-off valve, and the exhaust sounds so good. I don't know how the exhaust sounds stock on the AMG. I'm assuming they would be nice, considering you're paying like what, 100 grand or some shit, maybe more. Like, I'm not paying that, bro. I mean, no, like, look, I can't. Again, people would fucking blame me for paying 60 grand for a Hyundai, but, you know. You know, I can't really talk, can I? Car's not liking the heat, but yeah, it's fine. The oil temp's still down, engine temp's still down. It's having an alright time. Is he gonna cut in front? I don't mind getting coming in front. love the sound of this car. I want to get the exhaust done though, so... But when I say the exhaust done, I mean literally just a res delete. Apparently a res delete does wonders, and you're paying like $100. So, look, I don't really mind if I'm being honest. Like $100, get a res delete, easy as. Like, you know what I mean? Piss easy, you know? I'm not gonna worry about getting an X-Force. Like people get like X-Force exhaust and shit. Apparently they're one of the worst ones. I don't know. That's what I'm saying. Like I know you got your like Miltech ones and shit like that. They're like $3.5 grand, but I'm not. If you pay $3.5 grand for an exhaust, mate, you got way too much money. Especially one of these, because like it already sounds like nice. There's no point getting like how much nicer can it sound? You know what I mean? Like it can't sound much nicer. Paying $3.5 grand, like, you know what I mean? It's only a 4-cylinder. It can't sound like, unless it sounds like a V8 or some shit. Yeah, sure, great, but like, there's no point otherwise. Like, I can't see you spending $3.5 grand on like an exhaust. Like, I don't know what sort of specs. I don't know if it's titanium, if it's stainless steel. I don't know. But apparently titanium exhausts are worse. Well, apparently they sound better and they're a bit better, but apparently over time, like titanium isn't meant to like expand and contrast like with heat and cool. So apparently over time that's like apparently you get like major exhaust leaks and shit with like titanium ones because they're not made for that, where stainless steel are meant to like grow and expand and shit like that. Apparently that's what I heard, like the science behind it, but you know, whatever. You know, to be honest, I don't see many ends on the road. If I'm being 100% honest, I don't see many. Like I do see some, but I know my misso, like my girlfriend, dude, whenever she's driving to work or from work, oh, I saw 4 ends on my way home. How the fuck do you see 4 ends, bro? I see like 2 a week. That's if I'm lucky. And if I do see them, they're usually like just like an NPC and they have no personalized number plate, they have nothing. And I just wave at them, I'm like, hi! They don't even look at me. They're like, who the fuck are you? Alright, pal. Okay. This BMW is gonna cut in front. I fucking guarantee it. Coming up on my left, because this person in a Hyundai Venue is doing fuck all up a hill. God, why is the BMW slow down? Oh, they're gonna cut in front. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. Oh no. Oh, please don't. Move, Venue, please. Don't let the BMW in front, please. Oh no. Fuck. Fuck. The SQ2. I know, Audis aren't really my thing, eh? Like, I'm not a big fan of them. Like, this is just my opinion, honestly. Like, I'm just not a big fan of them. Like, other than, like, your RS6s and your RS4s and shit, like, I love the wagon look. I do. I love the wagon look. But, I know, other than that, I mean, you had your old Quattro rally cars and shit. That looked really nice. But I'm, you know, just not really my thing. The European, I'm just European cars. Look, I'll get a BMW M2 any day. Like the new ones, fuck me, I would get one. But the only thing that would put me off is it being European. You know what I mean? Like your servicing and shit would just be... But then again, if you can afford an M2, you can afford the servicing. You know what I mean? Like you don't get like an M2 or some shit, like 130, 140 grand car, right? And be like, oh, the servicing is too expensive. Like you wouldn't do that, you know what I mean? Like you wouldn't get a car like that and be like that. You know what I mean? If you can afford the BMW, you can afford the servicing. You know what I mean? Like, so it's not really that bad. It's just bad for people that, you know, can't afford an M2, I guess. Oh, no, I was about to cut across, lucky. Oh, what a legend, mate. What a fucking legend. You let me through. Come on. Oh my god, I'm gone, fuck it. I couldn't stop, boys, I couldn't stop. If there are any police seeing this, I couldn't stop, so I had to go through. Alright, don't give me a ticket, please. Honestly, there's nothing else to fucking talk about, eh? Like, I pretty much just babbled all the way off the highway, and then that was it. Like, I've got nothing else to say. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it, eh? Like, I just wanted to have a little drive, put a video out, you know, after about 2 or 3 weeks, because you guys deserve to actually see one. I want to try and keep the videos regular. But, yeah, honestly, if you guys like this video, like it, I guess, that'll help, you know what I mean? But then again, I don't care about that shit, So like, well, like it, dislike it, I don't care. As long as I like know what you guys want, just give me ideas. Be like, oh, I want to see this video. Bet, I'll do it. Like, it doesn't bother me, right? It's easier on me actually. Like, I'd love that. But hey, other than that, look, thank you guys for the 1,000 views on that last video. That's a fucking big milestone for me, so I really do appreciate that. Yeah, look, I'm gonna try and post videos a bit more like consistently, maybe every couple days. Just post whatever, you know what I mean? I would do a lot of like installing videos, but look, I'm not that fucking rich, right? I don't have all the fucking money in the world, okay? So, I'm just a kid. Alright, so. Damn, I fucking love that. Oh. Anyway. Alright guys, well thank you for watching, yeah? Look, I'll see you guys in the next video, alright? Too easy. Have a good day, guys.